All right, so let's begin. So the challenge is called Finding Flags. It's worth 2 points. Each challenge is designed to help introduce you to a new piece of cryptography. Solving a challenge will require you to find a flag. These flags will usually be in the format crypto, your first flag. Okay, so the flag prefix in this case is going to be crypto, and whatever is inside of the curly braces over here, this is the flag contents. So in here, the flag contents are actually your first flag, spelled like this, but every flag that we submit to Cryptohack has to be wrapped up in the flag wrapper. So crypto and then 2 curly braces. The flag format helps you verify that you found the correct solution. Try submitting this flag into the form below to solve your first challenge. Okay, so does it let me solve the challenge again? It looks like it does not. Let me see if I can click around and see if it's possible to solve the challenge again. Okay, so I can't solve the challenge again apparently, because I've already solved the challenge. Okay, let's move on. All right, so we're going to go to next.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.